All right, how you doing, everybody? Chris Bruce, real estate investor, nationwide coach, best-selling author, and also the founder of Escaping the REI Newbie Zone podcast. Now, we're shooting video too. As I told you before, I was going to take you live at one of my wholesale flips, okay? Now, the one thing I love about this business is that this is actually the very first time I'm seeing this house. I already have this property at the title company, signed contract with the seller and buyer, getting ready to close and make a $10,000 profit, but wanted to come out here and do this flip, show you this video, at this flip, because I wanted to show you that this business is real. I do this business day in and day out, and I love it because I absolutely am able to make money without using any of my cash or credit. Also, don't have a real estate license. But let's go ahead and take a look at this. Is one of my properties here, and I picked up actually from a free lead, a free source. We used this source to pick up this lead was from a cold call strategy, which I'll talk about in just a minute. So we picked up this property, was a guy who was trying to get this property sold for months. He has tried on auction sites and all these type of different things. We got in touch with him using our cold call strategy, and he told us that he wanted $70,000 for the property originally, but there was nowhere we could pay that. And we used this strategy to get our property. It's the PAS strategy. What we do is we like to give them the problem, we like to agitate it, and then solve, right? So as you can see here, again, we picked this property up, a nice little property, not too bad. And how the problem agitate solve works is that we explain to the seller that, listen, this property is good. It's in pretty decent condition, as you can see here. But what's going to happen is, what's going to cost you money in order to you to get that is you're going to have to do some updates. And also the next door neighbor who has a lot of trash and stuff out there on the lawn, he's bringing the property value down. And that is the reason why you're not going to be able to get that $70,000. So we use that strategy, and guess what, guys? Guess how much we picked this property up for? From $70,000 to $45,000, guys. Can you believe it? He took our offer, we offered over the phone, got into contract, and then we later found a buyer that wanted to pay us $55,000. But come on, take a look at this house. The good thing is that, guys, when houses need repairs, this is money for you, because when these repairs are updating, as you can see here, there's not too bad, but the issue is that a lot of this stuff is outdated. The old refrigerator, I mean, look at this old stove. I mean, guys, this is like a 1968 stove or something like that. The problem is that it's going to need updating, right? Because to get somebody in here, a new tenant, you know, a young, probably family, they're not going to want to look at this old stuff. So there's going to be new appliances, new things you have to put in here. But that is what helps you, because that is your bargaining tip, okay? The good thing also about wholesale deals when you pick up properties is that all this furniture comes with it. I can literally sell this stuff if I want to. All right, because this comes with it. I can literally put this stuff on Craigslist or whatever and make a profit selling this stuff as well too. But come on, let's walk along. I'm gonna show you some different things. So the beds, now what's crazy, this guy spent a ton of money on some of this purchase. He spent about $4,000, but whatever. Here's a bathroom, and guys, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom property. As you can see, that bathroom is a little outdated, needs stuff, work, updates. Here is another small bedroom, but man, look at this bed set. I'm actually thinking I should keep the bed set for myself, but I'm probably gonna end up putting this somewhere on Craigslist or something to make some extra money, okay? So that is why I love this business, is that I'm able to help the seller out, which he lives in Baltimore, and he needs to, you know, take the money to, you know, obviously whatever he wants to do with it, but he just was tired of dealing with this house because he couldn't find a buyer for it. And I'm able to provide a service of helping my buyer get another cash flow rental property that he's going to be able to rent out to another family and make a profit as well too, okay? Guys, I absolutely love this business. And listen, if you are in front of the opportunity in 2018, if you take advantage of what I'm going to be having, because I'm going to give you an opportunity where you're going to be able to come in and you're going to get all of my systems, processes, and all of the strategies I use to get houses just like this every single month, okay? There's going to be opportunity, but you got to make a decision. You got to find out if you're ready to really take off in 2018, whether you're first starting off in real estate, whether you've done a few deals, but you're looking to get more consistent, or whatever, okay? But you got to understand that right now, this is the greatest time to be in real estate, and you got to make a decision, okay? But I'll be talking about that later on in other videos, okay? I'm going to give you the opportunity, like I said, to be able to come in and pretty much duplicate my business and work with me one-on-one, okay? So let's talk a little bit before we leave on this video. How did I find this property? Well, I found this property from a cold call strategy. Okay, what we do is, what happened is with the market shift, there's a lot of people doing direct mail campaigns, and granted, our direct mail campaigns still get some of the highest response rates that the industry has ever seen, up to 10.5% response rates. But the thing is that there's a lot of competition, people doing direct mail. So what we do is we take some of those same lists that you could get from absentee owners, from ListSource or Melissa Data or whatever, and we're able to use skip tracing sites like Microbuild and Tilo to run a skip trace, find a phone number, and then give them a call, okay? And we've been using this strategy the whole 2017, and we've been crushing it because there's just a lot of people that just don't understand cold calling or any skip tracing. Excuse me. And the good thing is that we have scripts that we've trained our teammates to be able to cold call and get these properties. And this property came from a cold call lead. We spent absolutely no money on getting this deal. So just think about that. Could you imagine spending no money picking up a deal from just picking up the phone and getting paid 10 grand just to do it? Amazing. All right, so that's it, guys, for this video. Stay tuned. Again, I'm gonna have another video live at the closing, and then I'm gonna talk a little bit more about the opportunity for you to get started. Guys, 2018 is gonna be a huge year, and I want it to be huge for your family. I want to change your financial future. I want you to be my next success story, but it's really going to be up to you if you want to make the decision and really take off in 2018. Whether, again, you're starting brand new, whether you've been in real estate for a little while, or even if you're already doing deals and you want to take it to the next level. The opportunity is going to be right in front of you, coming real soon, so stay tuned to video 3. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this training video real quick, and I will see you on video 3.